Chapter 6 Introduction to Visual Basic Learning Objectives Visual Basic Starting Visual Basic 6.0 The Visual Basic Window Placing controls on a form Resizing the control Changing properties of controls Running a Visual Basic program Saving your file in Visual Basic Exiting Visual Basic Visual Basic 6.0 is a powerful object-oriented programming language. It was derived from BASIC and provides graphical user interface or GUI to create user-friendly applications. For example, you can create educational programs to teach various subjects or financial and accounting programs. Visual Basic or VB is a visual way to create new programs for the Microsoft Windows environment. Programming in Visual Basic can be done by dragging and dropping controls, such as buttons and dialog boxes, and defining their appearance and behavior. Visual Basic is an event-driven programming because collection of codes are executed according to the response of an event. For example, the event of clicking a button may cause an image to appear. An application created in VB is called a project and it is a collection of related forms with controls. The main object or the basic building block of an application in Visual Basic is called a form. Visual Basic forms are simply windows. Here is a simple Visual Basic form. It looks just like any other form that you use in Windows application. The title bar has a caption, Form 1, the window control buttons, and a large area called the client area. Starting Visual Basic 6.0, you can add controls to the form. Controls are objects like text boxes, check boxes, and command buttons. Controls are available in the toolbox of the Visual Basic window. To start Visual Basic 6.0, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Start button on the taskbar. Step 2. Point to all programs and select Microsoft Visual Studio 6.0. Step 3. Select Microsoft Visual Basic 6.0. A new project window opens. Step 4. Click on the New tab. Step 5. Select Standard EXE. Step 6. Click on the Open button. The Visual Basic window. You can now see the Visual Basic window. The working environment in Visual Basic is often called the Integrated Development Environment or IDE because it integrates many different functions such as designing, editing, compiling, and debugging. The Visual Basic window has the following parts. Menu bar. It displays the commands that are required to build an application. Toolbar. It provides quick access to the commonly used commands. In the toolbox, many controls are available like text box, label, command button, checkbox, etc. to create an application. Form Designer window. This is also called the GUI Designer window. You can design the application's interface here. Various controls like command button, label, scroll bars, and so on can be placed on the form. An application may require more than one form. Project Explorer. It serves a quick reference to the various elements of a project, namely form, classes, modules. Properties window. It displays the properties of the selected object or control. Each object and control in Visual Basic has characteristics such as color and size. Object Browser. It lists objects available for use in your project and gives you a quickly way to navigate through your code. Code Editor window. It serves an editor for entering application code. A separate code editor window is created for each form or code module on your application. Form Layout window. It displays how the form will be displayed at runtime. Toolbox. The toolbox consists of all the controls essentials for developing a Visual Basic application. These controls are shown below. Pointer, label, frame, checkbox, combo box, scroll bar, timer, drill list box, shape, image, OLE, picture box, text box, command button, option button, list box, scroll bar, drive list box, file list box, line, data. Placing controls on a form. To place a control from the toolbox on the form, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the control you want in the toolbox. Step 2. Click on a space on the form. Step 3. Drag the mouse diagonally to get the desired size for the control. Step 4. To move the control to another spot, hold the mouse button and drag the control to another spot. Step 5. Release the mouse button. Resizing the control. To resize the control, follow these steps. 1. You can resize the control by first selecting it. 2. You will see sizing handles appear around the control. 3. Click and drag one of these handles to adjust the size of the control. Changing properties of controls. If you click on a control on your form or even on the form itself, you can view and change its properties in the Properties window on the right side of the screen. Let us try to add controls to a form and change their properties. A label control is the primary control for displaying text. It appears on the form as text enclosed in a rectangular shaped area. A command button is a button that the user can click on to make something happen. The controls and the properties being set are given below. Control, property, description, form, back color. This specifies the form's background color. Caption. This holds the text that appears on the title bar of the form. Window state. This determines the initial state in which the window appears at runtime. Minimized, maximized or normal. Command button. Caption. This holds the text that appears on the command button. Font. This is used to set command buttons, captions, font, style and size. Label. Back color. This specifies the label's background color. Caption. This holds the text that appears on the table. Font. This is used to set labels, captions, font, style and size. Color. This is used to set the labels, captions, font color. Example. Let us design a form with a label and a command button on it and set the properties of the various controls. To start designing the form, follow these steps. Step 1. Open a new project in Visual Basic. Step 2. Click on the form. Step 3. Important. Check to see which controls property you are changing. In this case, it is the form. Step 4. To change the caption, just highlight Form 1 under the name caption and change it to First VB Project. Step 5. Click on the arrow next to the back color property. Step 6. Select the Palette tab. Step 7. Select the color of the background of the form. Step 8. Click on the arrow next to the Window State property. Step 9. Select 2. Maximize. Step 10. Place a command button on the form by clicking on the command button icon in the toolbox. Step 11. Click on the command button and set its properties in the Properties window. Step 12. Check to see that the command button's properties are displayed. Step 13. Highlight the Caption Command 1 and change it to Exit. Step 14. Click on the button next to the font. This opens the font window. Step 15. Select the font. Step 16. Select the font style. Step 17. Select the font size. Step 18. Click on the OK button. Step 19. Place a label on the form by clicking on icon in the toolbox to change the properties of the label. Step 20. Check to see that the label's properties are displayed. Step 21. Change the back color to blue. Step 22. Change the caption to "This is my first Visual Basic project." Step 24. Click on the arrow next to the 4 color property. Step 25. Select the palette tab. Step 26. Select the color